shit. Need to be fixed it to run for hydraulics to turn on. Mix it the concrete, the cement and concrete. So if the hydraulics not working the pump, so that will be so hard to turn it. To mix it up, the concrete, whatever they call it, cement. Oh my god, I can't say concrete, whatever. Yeah. So it's almost done and it's turning now. Looks good. That's awesome, man. As you guys can see it.